Hello, I am Cedric Hernandez and I will help you get started with Fritzing. In this video, we will discuss about the features and functions of Fritzing and how you can use it in designing your own electronic circuits. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of using Fritzing, provide tips and tricks, and demonstrate an example circuit with a real-life application. So what is Fritzing? Fritzing is a free and open source software tool used for designing electronic circuits, PCBs, and schematics. It is popular among electronic enthusiasts, hobbyists, and educators due to its intuitive interface and vast library of components. Now let's go to its features and functions. Breadboard view. Fritzing features a breadboard view that allows you to create and test your circuit on a virtual breadboard. You can add components to the breadboard and connect them with wires to simulate the circuit. Schematic view. Fritzing also includes a schematic view that displays your circuit design in a traditional schematic format. You can use this view to communicate your circuit design with others to create a PCB layout. PCB view. Fritzing's PCB view allows you to create a layout of your circuit that can be printed and used to create a physical PCB. You can customize the size, shape, and layout of the PCB to fit your specific needs. Part library. Fritzing includes a vast library of parts and components that you can use in your circuit designs. This library includes components from popular manufacturers such as Arduino, SparkFun, and Adafruit, as well as common components like resistors, capacitors, and transistors. Export options. Fritzing allows you to export your circuit design in various formats including PDF, SVG, and PNG. You can also export your PCB layout in Gerber format, which can be used to create a physical PCB. Now let's go ahead and make a simple electronic circuit design using Fritzing. Start with opening your Fritzing application and create a new project. In this example circuit, we will create a basic LED blinking circuit using an Arduino Uno. The components we need: an Arduino Uno, an LED, 220 ohm resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. Now let's go to the code view and make the Arduino code. In the setup function, we declare pin 13 as an output. In the loop function, we use the digital write function to set pin 13 to high. This should turn on the LED. We then use the delay function for 1 second. Then, we use the digital write function to set pin 13 as low, which should turn off the LED. We again use the delay function for 1 second. If we run this code, the LED should start blinking with 1 second interval. This circuit can be used as the basis for more complex projects that require the use of an LED, such as light up sign or a notification system, decorative lighting, and a traffic light. See how a simple circuit can be utilized in various useful ways. That is the power of circuit design. Now let me share you some tips and tricks. Use the auto root feature to automatically root your PCB traces. This can save you a lot of time and effort. Use the alignment tools to easily align your components on your breadboard and PCB layout. Make sure to double check your schematic diagram before moving onto the PCB layout. When designing a complex circuit, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Now let's do a little recap. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of using Fritzing free and open source software tool used for designing electronic circuits, PCBs, and schematics. I provided tips and tricks and demonstrated a simple example circuit using a simple LED and Arduino. I hope this tutorial has given you a better understanding of fritzing and its capabilities. Remember to always double check your circuit designs before building them in the real world, and have fun experimenting with electronics. That is all, and enjoy fritzing.